Hi pilots, this is Avi from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to take the indoor setting of Hobby King Avios Super Tucano before the maiden. First, I'll make assemble the 5-blaze propeller. Before the assembly of the propellers, let's check out the parts. Here is the propeller mount and the spinner and 5-blaze. In the package of the bolts, there are 3 kinds of bolts. This longest one is for the spinner, a middle long bolts 5 is for the blade, and the short one is for wing fixing bolts. Insert the 5-blaze here, the propeller mount like this, and you can see this plastic molding. So the bolt should be insert from the behind of the propeller mount here, like this. Look at this assembly turns before the make propeller sets. Make a tighten the bolts like this, and using the washers in the motor mount, the front side like this. Use a nut holder. Okay, this is the finished shape of the propellers to the propeller mounts, bolt, and the nylon nuts here, and the washers. Okay, this is the second blade, and washers here, and using nylon nuts, turn it to the clockwise with your finger, and using this nut tools, and turn right. Fasten the bolts to the end. Alright pilots, I dispatched the make assemble the propeller for the Super Tucano. As you can see, there are 5 bolts from the back panel propeller mount and to the front side. There are 5 washers here, and then 5 nylon nuts to fix the propellers. And this is the spinner. I finished the 5-blade Super Tucano propellers. Now I will check the balancing of this propeller with the balancing tools. I finished the 5-blaze propeller balancing. Let's check it. All right. And turn the other side. Okay. Look at this. This is the balancing tape I attached on the surface of the propeller. I'll assemble the propeller set to the motor. Now I marked here. You have to check this mark when you reassemble the motor mount to the motor. Monkey. All right. Great. And find out the sign, the red marked. Fasten the spinner board like this. Finished. And next step, I will install the external B.E.C in the fuselage. Open the canopy. And this is the electric speed control here. The 100 amperes and with the B.E.C 5 volt to 6 volt 8 amperes. And I don't know, Aerostar Avios G2. That's the electric speed control's name. I don't care. And there are cables here from the E.S.C, the 4 lines to here the original board. This connect is from the E.S.C. And there are 4 cables, 4 lines here. The yellow lines maybe diverse the propeller. And I will remove this red line here, supply the electric power to the original board to control servos and electric devices on the airplane. So I don't use power from the B.E.C of the electric speed control. So I don't use this line. Okay, I get rid of the red line from this cable, and I will use the external B.E.C instead of the internal B.E.C. Now I'll use this red line with the masking tape like this to protect the shortage. I don't want to make electric problems when I fly in the sky. I dispatched all the installation of the devices in the fuselage. As you can see, there are 2 receivers here and here. They are from FFCA, the RX8R and X8R. These 2 receivers are connected with the redundancy cable for safe flying in the sky. I used this original board only for the flaps and landing gear system. This cable from the nose retractor landing gear system, that is the steering system cable, and the LED cable, there are 2 here. This is from the rear side of the fuselage, and this from the front side of the fuselage. That's very easy to connect and arrange the cables. Here the receivers. This cable for the nose retractor steering system, and there are 8 channels here. The 1 is for the left aileron, and 2 is for the elevator, and the channel 3 is the throttle, and 4 is rudder, and 5 is flaps, and 6 is the landing gear system, and the 7 is for the right aileron system. I will connect individually the left and right aileron cable to the receivers. External B.E.C, and I use the extension cable for the battery for the B.E.C, I will supply the electric power individually from the nose side of this fuselage. This is from the electric speed control. I will supply the main power, the battery bay here, and I will use 6 cells, 6,000 milliampere batteries for the flying. Now I will assemble everything, the wings and cockpits, and I will check pins operating. I assembled Super Tucano, and I got the basic setting of this airplane, and I don't connect the main battery for the motors, just connect the external B.E.C for the basic operating. Okay, elevator is okay, and rudder is okay, and the aileron is perfect, and the flap. I got the slow motion options in the transmitter. Okay, landing gear.
Lights on.
All right.
Lights on.
Let's see the night vision. Now we will show you the operating of the landing gear, lower position. Let's check about the nose retract movement and the angle of the unfolded position. Okay, can you see that? The bottom side move forward more, the center line.
Lights on.
I'm using the 3-cell 1.3 ampere small battery for the operating the B.E.C. And let's check about the flap. Usually I'm using the flap switches, the left slide of the transmitter, so I can control the angle of the unfolded position. Like this. This is very helpful for the slow and some special maneuver, and I can control the angle of the flaps position like this, and I can give the slow option of the to the transmitter. Okay, and I have to use control, align the aileron angle for the flying, and elevator and rudder. Until here, I got the indoor setting, and indoor setting is very satisfied. And now the next video will be the maiden. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.